Hello students, this is Nilofer Mees, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn our next topic for the grammar in writing skill, which is advertisement. This topic is very important, not only for the school but also in your personal life. You need to understand what is an advertisement and how to write an attractive advertisement. Let's see. First of all, what is an advertisement? A notice or announcement in a public medium promoting a product, service or event or publicizing a job vacancy or matrimonial proposal. That is called advertisement. In the writing skill, if we see, then an advertisement is an audio or visual form of marketing communication to promote or sell a product, service or idea. Today as we see advertisement, there are variations in the advertisement. As in the TV, if you see television, different advertisements are coming of different products. Through these advertisements, we are getting to know about the features of the product. As if it is any vehicle or something, then we get to know about the features of it. Then what are the good qualities in the product, that we are getting to know only by the advertisement. And even we are getting attracted by those advertisements, and then we decide to buy that product or not. So advertisements, it plays a major role in marketing. We need to understand what is an advertisement and how to write an attractive advertisement so that we can attract other people by our product. Now if you will ask me that why do we need to advertise? Then to introduce new products or services. If you want to give introduction for the new products or services, how the people would know what are your products for and what are the good qualities in your products. So by these advertisement, you can introduce your products or even services. If you are giving any service, that also you can introduce by advertisement. Secondly, increase sale of the product or service. By these advertisement, you can increase the sale of your product. Creating a brand. If you want to create a brand, advertisement is necessary for that. Other people would know even the name of your brand. For that, you have to advertise it. Otherwise, the people would not know even the name of your product or brand. Then communicating any changes in the product line. If you are making the changes, if you are doing something good in that, good improvements are there in your product. So to communicate with the people that now this product is improved by these things. So for that also you need advertisement. Then next is give requirement for a particular product or service. You need to show requirement for the particular product or service. For that you need to give advertisement. There are types of advertisement in which classified advertisements are also there and general advertisements also there. First, see classified advertisement. For that, less space is used. It should be economical. Uses words and short phrases. It should be precise. Title and contact details must be given in the advertisement. It should be in the simple way of writing and should convey the complete information. It should be short, but all information should be included in that. If we see the general advertisement, how it is, then it needs more space because we have to visualize it. Visually attractive. More space, then you have to make it more attractive so that the people would see it. Then catchy slogans. You have to keep catchy slogans in that to attract the people. It should be colorful. And you may use different fonts while writing these kind of general advertisements. It should be lengthy and expensive too. These are the general advertisements. Now what is classified advertisement? A classified advertisement is a form of advertising which is common in newspapers, online and in periodicals, which may be sold or distributed free of charge. They are grouped under a specific heading. Heading is given over there, a classification. An advertisement should include the following to make it attractive. What you will do to make your advertisement attractive. So for that, first of all, write down name of the product or the brand or outlet. Okay, the outlet should be attractive. Address with contact information and websites, that should be also written. Then appealing images, visuals. Okay, images you have to draw in that, visuals you have to draw of the product or service or idea to be advertised. Then target demographics, it means audience, customers, you have to target them. Feel good discounts and offers, keep the discounts in that. Obviously, if the thing is off, if the product is off, like you may say 10 rupees, you will write in that the price will be of 12 rupees and you will get discount of 2 rupees. So it means they will not they will not even think that the product is already of the 10 rupees, but the discount word, it attracts the people. The offers you are giving, that buy one get one free, those kind of offers also attract the people. Then colorful background, the background of it should be colorful and readable text. Text should be also readable, that it should be easy to read for the people. They must understand it easily. It should be colorful so that it may be attractive. Then brief and catchy descriptions and benefits about the product. Okay, you have to write down the benefits of the product so that they would be again attracted by the benefits. Then use borders and lines to organize, should be well organized. See, I am giving you examples of the advertisement here. Now look at the model advertisement given below. Here is an advertisement, it is of RKP Bookshop. See, in that, first discounts are given, target audience, product description is also given, address is written, name of the bookshop is written in the heading, catchy phrases are also written, appealing visuals, see the books drawn over there, and the borders and lines are there. It is looking really attractive. If you see these things, RKP Bookshop, this advertisement, then obviously we will go to that bookshop. Next advertisement I have given over here, for example, Monsoon Dhamaka offer. The name is itself very attractive, Monsoon Dhamaka. So we will attracted by that name. What is it about then? It is written PS Electronics, Vasant Vihar, Dwarka 001. There it is located. Now free home theater. What is it for? Curve OLED TV. So here and here it is written Hari limited period offer. So this is also an attractive advertisement. Now dear students, hope you understood how to prepare an advertisement. I am giving you one homework here. You have to prepare one advertisement for our school, Silver Bells English Medium School, Mansarovar branch. And you will send me on my WhatsApp this homework. The most attractive advertisement, we will go through all the advertisements you are sending to us, and we will select one or two advertisements from those you are sending us, and we will keep on the YouTube by using your name, like it is prepared by so and so student, and we will keep on the YouTube for the advertisement of our school. Hope you will do this homework. I will wait for this. Thank you. Have a good day.